Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer or actually your contacts, because basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is directly using your contact list, so you can block the number which you've got currently saved, or using, let's say, the settings. And of course I'll show you both, and let's begin with the contacts. So let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's simply tap on block numbers. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. As you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, we've got the information that this number has been blocked successfully, which means that you will now receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock in the same position, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So that was the first way, and the second way requires entering the number manually. And here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on block two numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. And that's the number we just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. So now we can add a phone number, and as I said, here we can enter it manually. So just enter it on the keypad, tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. Now here we've got also the option unknown, which is quite useful. You can activate it just by tapping on the switcher, and thanks to this, your device will be allowed to block calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be useful, as I said. Of course, you can turn that off just by tapping on the switcher again. And if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and confirm it with unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your OPPO Reno 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.